welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover what to do if the password for your Windows machine has expired. To reset this password, you will need to create a custom RDP connection with the username administrator and the password you set when launching your run. If you would like to review the process for launching a deployment run or for connecting to a Windows virtual machine, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Once you have connected as an administrator, go to Administrative Tools, and then to Computer Management. Select Local Users and Groups. Under Users, find the user account in question and click on it. Here you will be able to uncheck User Must Change Password at Next Login, and you will also have the option to set Password Never Expires. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. It is important to keep in mind that if you are using a Windows domain environment as part of your deployment, you may need to contact the administrator of your domain to make these changes for you. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Arcus Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, arcus-cloud.io/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@arcus-cloud.io. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.